Leet code 28. Find the index of the first occurrence in a string. Given two strings needle and haystack, return the index of the first occurrence of needle in haystack, or -1 if needle is not part of haystack. Well, I think, in JavaScript, this is literally just the index of function. And index of literally just for loops through the array searching for needle. So I don't find any reason not to use index of here in this case for an easy problem. And in Python, you need this try except, because in Python, the index returns a value error. If it's not there, type it in. So we have to manually return -1 in Python. But otherwise, it's the same thing. Otherwise, you just use a for loop through haystack, searching for the needle, and then return the index when it's equal to. Well, that one's super easy.